Open both doors of the refrigerator. Locate the LED light cover at the top of the refrigerator. Find the back lip of the LED light cover and pull it downward to disconnect the cover for removal. Locate the LED light strip and pull it downward to disconnect. Once disconnected, unplug the LED light strip. Using a plastic windshield stick, insert the stick into the grooves and pry outward to loosen the LED assembly from the refrigerator. Then, use your hands to remove the LED assembly. Install the new LED assembly by lining up the tabs and pushing upward until it snaps into place. Reconnect and plug in the LED light strip. Insert the LED light strip into the LED light assembly and push it until it locks into place. Install the LED light cover and push it upward until it snaps into place.